Hello everyone, very good evening. And today we have gathered here uh, to talk about an initiative which we few people have started to connect for, and that is for implementation of AI in Bihar. Our main focus is concerned to how we can leverage the future and the scope of AI in Bihar and in so many sectors which we could see about. There are so many things where we have seen. Means everyone who is means whoever is from Bihar or nearby area, they know that there are so many small things which are highly redundant and doesn't require that much manual attention from anybody. But still, we are struggling with that, and those are the places where we are trying to put our leverage, and we want to create our community who can actually help not only from the private sector but from the public sector. But for that, we have to showcase our knowledge and information how we are going to do that. So in today's session, today's seminar, we have four different speakers who are going to talk about what all we can do about, and what are the current scenario, future, and the scope we can have in Bihar, because that is what we are looking for, and that is what what our AI community we are trying to create. So there are so many sectors in Bihar which are highly, that doesn't require that much of manual intervention. Like which and In India, we already have seen a lot of growth from the AI terms itself in the sector of agriculture, health, banking and finance, automobile, engineering, manufacturing, education, even in taking care of the natural disasters. So these are the main points which I have taken out, where we can give our input for using and leveraging the uses of AI in these all sector. These are very prominent sector where Bihar can stand out among every state, because these are the places where uh, you know our intellectual mind can help to bring up our complete state in good terms on the map. So these are some examples which I have taken from either from the HBR or from the Accenture, even from QTech Technologies. So these are some factors which has been given with the specific implementation of AIs in a specific functions, or you can say the industry. So if you can see, they are predicting, the HBR is predicting about $40 billion market coming by 2026 in AI itself. Same way you can see in the fintech industry, not only AI but also I will include the blockchain technology, which is going to help a lot. Robotics and AI enabled robotics, plus the drone technology, as well as the GPS system, where we talk about the type of soil and it is where we are getting more uh, you know means where we can have better understanding of uh, where what quantity of rain is going to happen, and what are the locations where we need more water. So those things can be predicted by using the AI and machine learning. So similarly, means if we talk about usability in Bihar, so as I mentioned earlier, that there are a lot of sectors, means public sector as well as private. Doesn't matter where we are trying to do this. Of course, we have to start from a private side, but yeah, here you can see that the agriculture, one of the prominent and the biggest industry in Bihar, which earns most of its income from agriculture. This is where I want to start with. This is where my ambition is, that we could take proper care of agriculture. And second is the education. We have very brilliant mind, but the resources, the price of those resources are too much high these days. And these are the two places where if we can reduce the price and make sure that the usability of AI for these two sectors, we are able to enhance as much as possible, then we will be in good hand. So by doing this seminar, we are just starting to create a community where we all together can go ahead, and we can start doing something which can actually keep and make Bihar outstanding with other states. Thank you very much. That was from my side, and I would request Nand Kumar to, if he can take the podium and continue with his observations.